Feeling overwhelmed by kitchen chaos? In the next few minutes, we'll transform your cooking routine with 29 must-have Amazon gadgets, each chosen for busy home chefs craving smarter prep, precision cooking, and effortless cleanup. From a whisper-quiet mandolin slicer that keeps fingers safe to a space-saving tiered drying rack, you'll discover innovative tools that elevate every recipe. All product links are waiting in the description, and our website hosts in-depth reviews plus side-by-side comparisons. If these picks help, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch every new roundup. Now, let's dive into the list. Ninja Creamy Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. Turn your freezer into a dessert lab with Ninja's 11-in-1 Creamy Deluxe. 2 XL 24-ounce tubs let you spin ice cream, sorbet, smoothie bowls, even slushies on demand, while dual processing lets you remix mix-ins for layered flavors. One-touch programs handle the science. You just press, walk away, and come back to velvety scoops that rival the pint shop. Up to 50% more capacity than the original means family-size batches without refreezing, and every part, minus the base, is dishwasher safe for painless cleanup. Karoti 19-piece non-stick cookware set with detachable handle. Tiny cabinets. This granite-coated set nests like Russian dolls thanks to a click-off handle that swaps between pots and pans, trimming storage by 70%. Reinforced die-cast aluminum heats fast and stays warp-free, while the PFOSA and PFOA-free surface releases eggs and sears without sticking. Pop a skillet from stove to oven, 480 degrees Fahrenheit, or straight into the fridge with the silicone lids. Induction-ready bases mean it plays nicely on any cooktop, making this a space-saving weeknight speed powerhouse for apartments, RVs, and minimalists alike. Kozori Pro Ella 5-quart Air Fryer. 7 presets, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, reheat, plus max 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Give this 5-quart Kozori the punch of larger fryers in a countertop-friendly frame. 360 degrees rapid heat circulation crisps with up to 85% less oil, and the shake, preheat, and keep warm reminders, babysit dinner while you binge the game. The family-size basket fits a 4-pound chicken, yet the whole drawer slides into the dishwasher. Bonus, 20 disposable liners and 100+ guided recipes on the VSync app keep inspiration flowing. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid 6.5-quart 13-in-1 cooker. Pressure cook chili, then flip the built-in air fry heater to finish with a bubbly cheese crust, no lid juggling required. The Ultimate Lid packs 13 functions, sous vide to bake, and taps into 800+ guided recipes via the Instant Brands app. Even crisp airflow delivers golden fries, while the whisper-quiet steam release keeps countertops calmer than earlier models. One stainless inner pot replaces a cabinet of gadgets, and the 6.5-quart capacity nails family roasts without hogging space like an oven. Crock-Pot 20-ounce portable electric lunchbox. Skip the office microwave queue. This 20-ounce personal warmer heats stews, pasta, or oatmeal right at your desk. Just plug in, and the element brings food to a gentle, piping hot temp without scorching. A spill-proof locking lid and cord wrap make commute toss-ins mess-free, while the removable stainless insert slides into the dishwasher at day's end. Reviewers rave it keeps lunch hot as lava, yet the cool touch exterior means no burned fingers on the train. Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Breakfast for the whole crew in one push. Hard, medium, or soft boil a dozen eggs or swap in the trays for poached eggs and omelets. Steam Tech finishes a full batch in under 12 minutes, and the auto shutoff chime saves you from sulfur ring disasters. Beyond eggs, the cooker steams dumplings and veggies for quick sides. All non-electrical parts are top-rack dishwasher friendly, and the compact dome stores every tray inside, so your gadget drawer stays uncluttered. Full Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin. Dice onions tear-free in seconds, French-cut fries, spiralized zucchini, or grate cheese. 5 ultra-sharp 420J blades snap in and out of the catch tray lid for prep wizardry without multiple gadgets. A handguard cut-resistant glove and non-slip base put safety first, while the 1.2-liter container keeps counters clean and measures portions. Everything, minus blades, goes in the dishwasher, and spare blades tuck under the lid, so weeknight meal prep feels like chef-level mise en place. Dash Safe Slice Mandolin Slicer. 30 thickness presets, julienne, matchstick, and dice. Yet, your fingers never meet the blade. Dash's plunger-style design positions produce above the razor while you push down, earning rave safety points in mandolin tests. The fold-out legs and built-in container catch chips or coleslaw shreds, and the cleaning brush clears starch before it crusts. At just 11 by 5 inches folded, it slips into a drawer but unleashes pro-level uniformity when it's taco nighttime. Priority Chef Large 15-ounce stainless steel potato ricer. Trade lumpy mash for 5-star silky. This heavy-gauge stainless ricer presses 15 ounce at once. Just load cooked spuds and squeeze. Thousands of pinholes aerate potatoes for cloud-like texture, perfect gnocchi, or baby food purees. Silicone-lined handles stay comfy during holiday meal marathons, and the hinge basket flips open for a rinse or a dishwasher ride. Amazon reviewers, 14K+, tout its chef-level results in half the time of traditional mashers. LifeWit Large Expandable Silverware Drawer Organizer. Chaos Drawer Meat Adjustable Order. LifeWit's BPA-free tray stretches from 13 to 22.4 inches, revealing 2 hidden wings for spatulas or tongs. 7 deep central slots cradle forks and steak knives upright, preventing dulling rub. Textured silicone feet lock it in place, no more sliding when drawers slam. Reviewers praise its tank-like build that wipes clean with a sponge and finally corrals that rogue whisk. Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer Bottle with Blender Ball. Fluffy flapjacks minus mixing bowls, add ingredients, drop in the surgical steel blender ball, shake 30 seconds, and the batter's lump-free. A heat-proof silicone spout pipes perfect circles onto the griddle, while the pressure release cap prevents eruptions. The wide base doubles as a stand and measures up to 4.5 cups, enough for weekend waffle runs. Post-brunch cleanup? Fill with soapy water, shake and rinse, or toss it top rack into the dishwasher. 68-ounce stainless steel oil filter pot with mesh strainer. Stretch your frying oil and your budget. This 2-liter 304 steel pot catches hot grease, while a fine mesh basket snags crumbs for crystal clear reuse. Triple thick base handles direct heat, so it doubles as a mini deep fryer on gas or induction stoves. The vented lid tames odors, and the precision spout drizzles without drips. Dishwasher safe, rust proof, and camping ready, it's the sustainability hack bacon lovers swear by. Yaramate 16-ounce dark glass 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser. Fine mist or steady stream, one lever controls both, so salads get a whisper of EVOO and skillets get the perfect pour. The 470 milliliter amber green glass blocks UV to preserve flavor, and a microfilter straw stops herbs or pulp from clogging. Wide neck refills are mess-free, 10 waterproof labels keep oils straight, and the whole bottle is dishwasher safe. At under $10, it replaces aerosol sprays and cuts calories with chef-level precision. Hunabi 8-ounce no-drip glass. Honey dispenser with stand goodbye sticky countertop. This honeycomb pattern dispenser seals at the base. Lift the trigger and a sweet ribbon flows release and it seals instantly. No drips. The crystal clear glass shows golden levels, while the included glass stand doubles as a cradle to catch any residual drop. Ideal for maple syrup or agave too, and it keeps contents airtight so crystals don't form. Bee-themed charm meets breakfast practicality in one giftable jar. Gurudar 40-ounce glass pumpkin teapot with removable infuser. Brew autumn vibes year-round. Hand-blown borosilicate glass shrugs off stovetop flames and microwave zaps, while the stainless infuser lets loose-leaf teas unfurl into a cinematic bloom. The 1.2-liter capacity serves 4 full mugs, and the wide mouth makes scrubbing leaves painless. Clear walls resist stains and odors, so yesterday's chai won't haunt tomorrow's jasmine. A sculpted pumpkin silhouette finishes the table like functional decor, perfect for gifting or cozy self-care rituals. Freda cold press juicer. Skip the knife work and juice whole apples with Freda's 5.8-inch chute, the widest in its class. A quiet 250-watt motor turns at just 55 revolutions per minute, squeezing produce instead of shredding it, so vitamins, enzymes, and vibrant colors stay intact. The ceramic-coated auger boosts yield while resisting pulp stains, and the reverse function clears jams in seconds. All BPA-free parts click apart and rinse clean, and the included brush reaches every corner. If you crave bar-quality juice without countertop chaos, this machine delivers. 7. Code 2. Tier large dish drying rack. Double your air dry area without surrendering counter space. This rust-proof stainless rack stacks plates up top and pans below, holding enough for a family dinner set. A swiveling drain spout funnels water straight into the sink, so puddles never pool. Clip-on side caddies park utensils, cutting boards, and cups, while silicone feet anchor everything during frantic meal prep shuffles. Snap-together assembly takes 5 minutes, and the matte black finish looks sleek beside modern faucets, function and form in one tidy tower. Rolling stainless steel cylinder grilling basket. No more sacrificial veggies slipping through the grates. Load chopped peppers, shrimp, or fries into this rotisserie-style mesh tube, clamp shut, and roll it across the grill for even sear on every side. Food-grade 304 stainless steel laughs at flare-ups and cleans up with a quick brush. The locking lid doubles as a built-in handle, keeping fingers safe from 700-degree coals. Perfect for campers and tailgaters who want wood smoke flavor minus skewers and fuss. 4-limb rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set with base. Season like a pro one-handed, tilt to activate the ceramic burr, choose 5 grind settings, and let the LED spotlight show coverage. Each grinder charges on the sleek magnetic base, powering weeks of dinners on a single USB-C top-up. No AA graveyard required. A wide 1.8-inch opening refills mess-free, while the 4.5-ounce acrylic window lets you see when Himalayan pink is running low. Modern, mess-taming, and arthritis-friendly, it's an instant countertop upgrade. Modern Innovation 16-inch stainless steel magnetic knife bar. Free your blades from germ-trapping blocks. This 16-inch bar hides rare earth magnets behind brushed 304 stainless gripping chef knives, shears, and even cast iron tools with reassuring snap. Mount horizontally or vertically, hardware and 3-meter tape come in the box, creating a gallery wall that doubles as safe storage. Open display means air dries moisture, preventing rust, while precious drawer real estate opens for other gadgets. Minimalist style meets food-safe function, trusted by home cooks and pro kitchens alike. Electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Keep coffee beans, granola, or leftover salsa farm fresh for weeks. This cordless pump pulls a reliable 60 kPa vacuum in under 30 seconds, then auto shuts to preserve battery. 2 interchangeable caps fit ball, cur, and most generic jars, transforming pantry staples into oxygen-free stashes that beat freezer burn and flavor loss. USB-C charging, compact profile, and a handy progress LED make it ideal for meal preppers, fermenters, and anyone tired of wilted salad toppers. Revolution Instaglow 180 touchscreen smart toaster. From freezer to perfect crunch in 30 seconds. Instaglow's quartz elements flash heat like a pizza oven, locking moisture inside bagels while crisping their crust. Swipe the 2.8-inch touchscreen, select food type and shade, and the algorithm auto-adjusts time and heat. A countdown clock and cheerful chime, and guessing games, and a bit more rescues underdone slices without restarting. A built-in crumb tray and screensaver clock seal the deal, tech that finally modernizes toast. Linson stainless steel hanging trash can with lid. Compost scraps where you chop them. This 2-gallon bin hooks over cabinet doors, mounts to walls, or sits countertop, keeping onion skins close yet out of sight. Double-layer stainless resists odors and wipes squeaky clean, while the tight seal lid thwarts fruit flies. A removable inner bucket empties mess-free, and built-in bag hooks secure liners during vigorous veggie prep. Apartment kitchens and RVs suddenly gain stealthy waste management without sacrificing floor space. Comfora 3 tier bamboo fruit basket stand with banana hooks. Turn produce into decor. 3 ventilated bamboo tiers hold up to 15 pounds of apples, potatoes, or snack packs, lifting them off crowded counters. 2 swiveling hooks suspend bananas, preventing bruise spots and extending ripeness. Natural antimicrobial bamboo cleans with a damp cloth and resists warping in humid kitchens. Tool-free assembly means it's ready in 5 minutes, and the vertical footprint frees precious prep real estate while inviting healthy snacking at eye level. LKKNC 6-in-1 vacuum sealer machine. Batch cook like a food saver, but on a budget. This slim unit hits 75 kPa suction to lock in marinades or dry goods, then slices custom bag lengths with the slide cutter, no scissors needed. Touch buttons toggle dry, moist, or pulse modes, and an external hose seals jars and wine bottles. LED progress bars show exactly when to clamp steak or release delicate berries. Included starter bags let you sous vide tonight and freeze leftovers tomorrow with zero waste. Swamily 48 glass spice jars set with 713 labels and funnel. Instagram-worthy spice rack in one purchase. 48 square 4-ounce jars maximize drawer space and stay put in tiered shelves. Airtight lids keep cumin fragrant, while dual flip tops give you shaker holes or wide mouth pours. The label Arsenal, 713 clear, chalkboard, and blank stickers covers every seasoning imaginable, plus extras for DIY blends. A collapsible silicone funnel and markers streamline filling day. Finally, no more mystery baggies. Just glance and grab the right flavor every time. Once for all Safe Mandolin Slicer Plus. Shave potatoes paper thin without fearing stitches. Place produce in the top chamber, press the pusher, and gravity meets concealed V-blades for uniform slices, julienne, or dice. Fingers never near steel. Dial thickness from 0.5 to 8 mm. Built-in measurement markings guarantee recipe precision. The fold-flat base stores in a skinny drawer, and a cleaning brush scrapes starch away fast. For meal preppers seeking pro cuts minus ER visits, this is the upgrade. KDS-KSC 3-in-1 acrylic wrap and foil drawer organizer with cutters. Wrangle plastic wrap, foil, and parchment in a single clear housing. 3 spring-loaded rollers fit most standard 12-inch rolls, each capped by a slide cutter that delivers razor-straight edges. No more jagged boxes. The see-through acrylic reveals supply levels, and Lux Gold labels add pantry polish. Lay it in a drawer or mount under cabinets with included screws. Meal prep instantly feels pro when your wrap game is this smooth. Lifewit 25-pound airtight rice dispenser with measuring cup. Pour once, scoop for weeks. The slim ABS container holds 25 pounds of rice, quinoa, or kibble behind a sealed silicone gasket that blocks moisture and pantry pests. One-touch dispense drops exactly 100 grams, 1/2 cup, into the included strainer measuring cup. Rinse grains right away. A clear window tracks inventory while the narrow 8-inch width slots between appliances. If bulk buying is your budget hack, this dispenser keeps grains fresh, tidy, and portion controlled. And there you have it. 29 game-changing Amazon kitchen gadgets that'll take your cooking, prep, and storage to the next level. If you spotted a must-have tool, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more insider finds every month. Don't forget to share this video with fellow foodies and drop a comment below telling us which gadget you can't wait to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.